Hello, greetings to Cannes from the Slovenian cinematheque Ljubljana. I'm truly sorry that it's only in this digital way that I can be with you today. But on the other hand, it's good that it exists. It's precisely because it exists that we are gathered today at this important event. The Slovenian Cinematheque is a national film museum, but also cinema hall, an exhibition space, a publisher, a library and mediatheque, a film history classroom, a film archive, a restoration laboratory, and an institution that carries out the national program of digitizing and digitally restoring Slovenian film heritage. We are part of the region of former Yugoslavia, where the awareness about the significance of preserving film heritage has only recently come to the front of culture politics. That is why, for us, the programs conducted by the Association of European Cinematheques, and among them, especially seasonal classic films, are exceptionally important. They make it easier for us to spread the message about the importance of preserving both the Slovenian and our common European film heritage for future generations, the importance of cooperation between different countries and institutions in this field, the importance of education and addressing younger generations, and also the importance of sharing expert knowledge in the field of film restoration. Fate would have it that during the war that followed the disintegration of Yugoslavia in the 1990s, the Bosnian filmmaker Bato Čengić decided to deposit the prints of his films with the Slovenian Cinematheque after a complete retrospective of his work has been shown there in 1996. At that time already, he suggested that we should make new internegatives of his films, whose materials had supposed to be destroyed during the war. The opportunity for that arose only in 2021, when Ministry of Culture of Republic of Slovenia approved limited funds for the digitization of his films. That led to research into whether any of archives in the territory of former Yugoslavia held the negatives of his supposedly lost films. It turned out that the picture and sound negatives of the life of a shock forcer worker are kept at the Croatia State Archives. In December last year, we thus began cooperation with the Croatia State Archives and the Film Center Sarajevo in the desire to digitize the film. As fortune would have it, the Association of European Cinematheques published an invitation to a joint restoration project, which all three institutions responded to, with the Slovenian Cinematheque also bringing in the Austrian Film Museum. As has been revealed today, we succeed with our application. I sincerely thank everyone for their hard work, and I'm looking forward to us joining forces and finally carrying out this project. I would also like to thank the jury, the filmmaker Sergej Loznica, the director of Cinema Fiction Department of Arte Claudia Tournier, and the director of Pordenone Silent Film Festival Jay Weisberg. With your decision, you made it possible for this masterpiece and a wonderful example of original aesthetic and humanism from the Yugoslavian film in 1972 to become visible again. I probably don't speak only in the name of Slovenian Cinematheque when I express our hope that with this and other program, the European Union will keep supporting the endeavors of European film archives, preserve as much European film heritage as possible. In the end, let me also thank the coordinator of Season of Classic Film, Paulina Raizi from the iFilm Museum, for her help, and Sandra Den Hamer, the president of ACE and the director of the iFilm Museum. With our colleagues from Zagreb, Sarajevo and Vienna, we are now ready to jointly work on the restoration of Yugoslavia film classic, and who knows, we might see each other again in a year's time at its premiere, once again, who knows, maybe in Cannes. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you a pleasant stay in Cannes.